Okay, hello everyone. I've got my mini Jaden's playing on that side, so I'm gonna do this unboxing with myself. So I've got my mini engraving machine and I'm going to unbox this. It arrived in just under 2 weeks. I ordered it off eBay and I wanted to get it to do some customized engraving, preferably on wood, maybe some leather or USB keys, so I can give out to my clients as gifts, which I think is a good idea, and you know, make it a little more special for them. So picking up the top, it's well packed in this little box. It's not very big. It can fit in a mailbox. Okay, so this is, let me just go a little closer to this. This is how big it is. It's not very big. Okay, here. So that's that. And there were two options which I could do, which is the 1000 watt, and then there's also the 1500 watt. So I got the 1500 watt, just in case the 1000 watt wasn't strong enough for metal. If I wanted to do the USB keys, I wanted to have that just extra bit of power to do that properly. I'll just unwrap this. Overall, it's fairly well made. I mean, it's got some, it's plastic, but it's not cheap plastic. It's got a solid build. It's got the laser in there, and a cooling fan, probably for the laser heatsink. And it's got restraints in them. And okay, that's the base. Okay, and it supports Windows XP, Service Pack 3, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. It doesn't say anything about Mac, so I might have a problem and I'll have to set up a Windows machine, because I haven't been using Windows for the last decade or so. And oh, okay, so this is the other package. It comes with some sample, there's wood, different types of wood, a bit of leather. I don't know what this is for. I'll have to check the manual. No leather, sorry. Well, maybe this is like cardboard leather. I don't know the right name for it. Maybe someone who's well versed with material can correct me. A USB cable, wood, the same, like plywood, and this is, I think, Perspex, like Perspex glass. Okay, there. And not plywood, it's like a solid piece of wood. I don't know, brush. And an Allen key, or hex key. And then it comes with a CD. Includes drivers and software. Okay, drivers and software CD. And an extra green protection glass, which I think I will have to screw onto the front here. If I have to put something big inside and have to screw it on to protect. Hey buddy! So that is the unpacking of it. I will try and set it up and continue this video to make some demos and see how it goes. Alright, so I've got the software running, installed the drivers on Emmy's Windows laptop, and here's the little machine. So there's really not much to do here because it's pretty much self-explanatory. But if anyone's interested, I'd be happy to do a proper tutorial on setting the little thing up. Just gonna try and grab some. Might have to use the GoPro on this one. We'll see. I'll take this off and put it down there and see if I can grab what I wanted to grab. Okay, I wanted at this height. So I would need, what would I need? I would need the Joby. Yep. Definitely need the Joby. Alright, so I'm just gonna mount my camera on the GorillaPod because the GorillaPod can shoot at this low angle. I don't know if you want to see the laser move or just the work, but I'll try and... This is a 17mm, so I should be able to get... Oh yeah, I can get all of it. Alright, now I'm just going to close that up. Make it tight. And focus on the bottom, and I'll take off automatic focus. Alright, so we're ready. I'm going to do a single pass. This is at burning time 18 millisecond, and I'm going to do one pass, so we'll see how that works. Alright, so let's have a closer look at that. I don't think I like it. I need to adjust some settings. Yeah, I'm going to adjust some settings and then see if I can get it to do better. Alright, so this is the 15 millisecond burn time test with a thicker wood. Because the gift boxes that I want to make custom for my clients are going to be wood. So this Lazer CNC machine would help me customize the boxes to whatever I want to put on it. I've been running a few tests for the last hour. I've put Jaden to bed, so this is the only time I can get to work on my, my side projects. Alright, so I'll let this run and we'll come back to it when it's done.